I hope understood. Come to one more very good question, question 5. Correct? That on MRQ must revise question before exam. X Limited is a farming entity where cows are milked on a daily basis. Okay, sir. Milk is kept in a cold storage immediately after making and immediately after milking and sold to retail distributor on a weekly basis. Okay, sir. On 1st April 2001, XY Limited had a herd of 500 cows which were all 3-year old. Means this has been given for comfort level. All are of which age? 3 year. Comfort level. Okay. Practically, of course, all will be of different age. Correct? Yes. During the year, some of the cow become sick, and on 30th September 2001, 20 cows died. Correct? On 1st October 2001, XY Limited purchased 20 replacement cow at a market for rupees 21,000 each. So they purchased at rupees 21,000. These 20 cow were all 1 year old when they were purchased. Once again, they have given for comfort zone that these are of 1 year. Correct? Yes, sir. On 31st March 2002, XY Limited had 1000 liters of milk in cold storage which has not been sold to retail distributor. So we need to assume that this milk is an agriculture produce which has been harvested on this date only. So this date becomes the date of harvesting. Correct now? Yes, sir. Correct? Yes, sir. The market price of milk on 31st March 2002 was 20 per liter. When selling the milk to distributor, XY Limited incurred a selling cost of 1 per liter. This amount did not change during March 2002 and are not expected to change during April 2002. Okay, sir. Information relating to fair value and cost to sale. Means one thing is clear, that is cost to sale is a transaction cost incurred by only seller, not by purchaser, because they are written cost to sell. Correct? Yes, sir. Now they have given fair value and cost to sell separately, and you can see on 1st October they have given the fair value of cow of different age. But can I say on 1/4 the 500 cow of which is 3-year old, means can I say this is only relevant? Can I say this is not relevant, this is not relevant, this is not relevant? Correct. Then on 1st October, how many cow again purchased? 20 cow. 20 cow was again purchased. So can I say that was of how many year? 1 year. Correct. So on 1st October, can I say this is relevant, this is not relevant, this is not relevant, this is not relevant? Correct. And on 31st March, can I say the initial cow means 500 out of that 20 died, means 480 cow will now become 3 plus 1, 4 year. So can I say this will be relevant? 26,500 will be relevant. And can I say the cow which was purchased at the mid of the year, that will become 1 year plus 0.5, 1.5 year, means this will be relevant, means these two are not relevant. I hope you are understanding each and every point. Correct. You can assume that fair value of a 3.5-year-old cow on 1st October 2001 is 27,000. Means what they are saying on 1st October 2001, because 20 cow died. Correct? 20 cow died. So on that date, the fair value was 27,000. Correct now? They have given one more information. Past necessary journal entry of above transaction with respect to cow in the financial statement of XY Limited for the year ended 31st March 2002 also show how the amount lying in the inventory, if any. Means you need to also disclose the amount of inventory lying, if any. Of course, milk is in inventory. Correct. So let us do it. Can we do it? So we are doing question number 5. First, let us prepare one working note. Calculation of gain or loss on measurement. Correct? Understood? So what is the first date on 1/4/2000? On 1/4/2020 is 01. 01. Correct? How many cow we were having? 500 cow. So what is the fair value less cost to sell of 500 cows? It is 500 multiplied by what? We'll take 27,000 minus 1,000. 27,000 minus 1,000. Bolo yes or no? Correct na? Got it? So we'll take 27,000 minus 1,000 is equal to what? How much? 1 crore 30 lakhs. Correct? Then what is the date? How many cow died? 20 on 30th September. So on 30th September 2001, can you say died means de-recognize? De-recognition will be done at carrying amount only. Correct? De-recognition will be done at carrying amount, and carrying amount will be 27 minus 1 only. Correct now. It means we need to de-recognize. Yeah, better write down. Carrying amount of 20 cow died. Correct. Then we need to minus. So it will be 20 into 26,000 only. Correct. This 26,000 is nothing but this amount now. How much? 5 lakh 20. 5 lakh 20,000. Then on 1st October 2001, once again they purchase. So can you say fair value less cost to sale of 20 cows purchased? So this will be 20 into what? It will be 21 minus 1. So 21,000 minus 1,000, that is 4 lakh. Total become what? 1 crore 39 lakh 1 crore 28 lakh 80 80,000. This is minus na lakh. Correct. Now can you see this become the carrying amount as on initial measurement, means as on 31st March. You can add on this is carrying amount of cows as on 31st March 2002. But we need to compare with fair value less cost to sale of cows as on 31st March 2002. Correct. So now can you see we have 480 and 20 of different days. So what is the fair value less cost to sale of 480? It is 26,500 minus 1,100. 26,500 minus 1,100, and this is how much? This is 23,500. 23,500 minus 1,100. Can you give me total? Because we want total only. How much? 1 crore 26 lakh 40,000. So can you see there is a loss on subsequent measurement, how much? 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000. Correct. Now let us pass journal entry. Books of which company? Books of XY Limited. Journal. First journal entry will be for 20 cow died on 30th September 2001. Correct. Means will de-recognize, so that will be loss on de-recognition. Correct. देखो, loss on de-recognition transfer to PL account debit to biological asset, in bracket you can add on cow. How much? It is 5,20,000. 5,20,000. Narration you can write down. So this is 1st September, 30th September na. And then purchase has been done on 1st October. Then on 1st October 2001, this journal entry you will do. Let's see how many of you are doing correct journal entry. Loss on de-recognition, this journal entry no doubt. We will de-recognize na. Correct? De-recognition is always at carrying amount. De-recognition will be done at carrying amount na. Purchase journal entry you will do. Done? Bata, what you have done? Biological asset, how much? Biological asset account debit to bank you have said now. Biological asset how much? 4 lakh. And to bank how much? 4 lakh 20,000. Perfect. If you have done this, perfect. This is loss on initial measurement. How many done? 4 lakh 4 lakh. जो बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. How many of you done? How many of you done 4 lakh 4 lakh? Everyone done correct? Wow. Not possible, but. So I hope this you have understood. This is what? Fair value less cost to sales. In this no doubt. Doubt may come यहाँ पर. So in this case there is no transaction cost incurred by purchaser. So it was 20 into 21,000 only. Anyone who have done 20 into 20,000? All have done 4,20,000. क्या बात, गजब. Understood? Then on 31st March 2002, we'll do subsequent measurement loss wala journal entry. So what journal entry? Loss on subsequent measurement account debit to what? Biological asset How much loss we have calculated? 2 lakh, 2,40,000. However, in suggested solution, they have calculated gain or loss separately for 480 cow and 20 cow. That you can also do. Means if you want to calculate separately, this is the combined loss now. But because I have done combined calculation, but in your suggested solution, what they have done, they have calculated 480 separately and 20 separately. So in one there will be loss, in one there will be gain, but the net result will be what? 2,40,000. From my point of view, this is also correct because India has never said that disclose separate gain or loss. They said aggregate gain or loss need to be disclosed. So from my point of view, that journal entry is not required. If you want to follow, you can follow, correct? And can I say there is one milk also? So we need to also recognize an inventory, milk. So what journal entry? Inventory. In bracket you can add a milk. Account debit to gain. Gain na. Gain on initial measurement. Gain on initial measurement. So how many liters? 1000 liters na. 1000 liter, and what is the market price? 20, and transaction cost is 1 per liter. So it become into 19. So this become 19,000 and 19,000. Got it? This question will be 6 marks question in exam if they are asking. Not yet asked. Simple or difficult? But high chances of mistake in taking the amount. Concentration. There only we do some mistake. We don't concentrate on reading or writing. Okay? Chalo. One more question. Can I take one good question? Just check it whether the answer we have done correct. You can see they have done what? For 480 cow, there was actually a loss. And for 20 cow, there was a gain. So we have done the net amount. Net amount is coming how much? 2 lakh 40. Same is coming now. So you can do in that way also if you want to do. However, there is one doubt. So what to do about this information? Can you say this information has been given only to confuse you? Most of the student will take this information and they will be confused. They go additionally they have given fair value of 3.5-year-old cow, means they have given the fair value as on 1st October. 3.5 year means, but can I say on 1st October we never do any recognition. Initial recognition at the time of purchase, subsequent recognition on reporting date. So this information was actually not required. 27,000 was not required na. Are bolna re. But from my point of view, this is danger. Why? Because this is bakwas information they have given. Most of the student may use this information. Danger na, because something given additionally na, in that information we do some mistake. Correct? Yes, sir.